Flange is all right. Toilet is not. ADA. This is a commercial building, I guess. Someone pulled this and cracked the side of the toilet. So, all I gotta do is install this new Kohler. This is a pretty standard Kohler. It's not one of the funky ones with the skirted sides or all that nonsense. Just a regular old Kohler toilet. Okay. Well, the camera makes my finger look short and fat, but it's not. Take this with me. So they want to keep this bidet. Now I gotta figure out how the hell this works. It's probably not that complicated. So that goes on there. I don't know how to get it off of. I guess it's just like any regular seat. Okay. There we go. All right. That wasn't too hard. That was kind of worrying me for a second. I don't know why. Nasty. So this flange is slightly above the floor, so I'm going to use a standard sized wax ring. It'll be perfect. Okay. Take this, put it somewhere safe. Like right there. Won't get kicked or dropped. Where's the hardware? Oh, it's built in on that one. Yeah. Kohler. It's got to have the 3 holes. Just make everything more difficult. Kohler just, even on their standard toilets, can't be normal. They just can't be chill, dude. They can't be cool. Just like everything they design is more difficult, and it just doesn't have to be. I hate Kohler, I really do. It's really, really one of my most hated brands. I just gotta complicate everything, and it really doesn't need to be. As simple as that. Look at that. Ridiculous. Forgot to mention that this is actually a 14-inch rough. From the toilet flange to this, it's 14-inch, but most of the plumbing supply stores don't carry the 14-inch. But I'm glad I got the 12-inch. Because look, I have a feeling if I would have gotten the 14-inch, I might not be able to get the No, I would have been able to get it on, I think. I don't know. Well, dude, I don't know. Look at that. If this was right up against the wall, I don't know. Look how pretty this is. So pretty. Piece of junk. This was $220. And it came with the seat. 12-inch rough. Okay. Okay, I got this sucker back on. And we just need to connect it back here. That was actually easier to install than a regular seat, to be honest with you. Alright, now let's caulk the base. I'm not going to need to shim this. It's nice and level. How it should be. Tiles are nice and level, not a problem. I'm going to need to tighten that up a little bit more, but okay, no leaks. Don't forget to check the water level. It's not always perfect. See? It's way too high. I'm glad I looked. Glad I looked. It's way too high, dude. Flush is good, but you always check the water level, even on a new toilet. See, that's still too high. That's good. See, it's right below the waterline mark right there. I mean, even that's a little bit high. That's it, man.